Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best gluten-free Instant Pot Cookbook is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen companions for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine while adhering to a gluten-free lifestyle, offering a treasure trove of recipes that are not only delicious but also incredibly easy to prepare using the versatile Instant Pot, transforming everyday meals into culinary masterpieces with minimal effort and maximum flavor, making it an indispensable tool for busy individuals and families alike. Number 5. P.J. Paul Jones Men's Casual Knit Blazer. Introducing a blazer designed for the modern man. Experience the perfect blend of casual style and sophisticated comfort with this lightweight knit jacket. Crafted from a breathable knit fabric, this sport coat keeps you cool and comfortable all day long. Its unlined construction enhances the airy feel. Featuring a classic 2-button closure, this blazer offers a clean and polished look. It's the ideal choice for a variety of casual and semi-formal occasions. The unlined design provides a natural drape and exceptional comfort. Move freely and confidently, knowing you look your best. Elevate your everyday wardrobe with this essential sport coat. It's the versatile piece you'll reach for again and again. Trust in the quality and style of P.J. Paul Jones. This knit blazer is a testament to our commitment to excellent menswear. What we like. This jacket offers a relaxed, comfortable fit perfect for everyday wear. Its lightweight construction makes it ideal for transitional weather. If you're looking for a versatile blazer that bridges the gap between casual and smart, this is a great choice. What people say. The fit is perfect. Length, shoulders, waist, everything feels almost tailored for me. I love the stretchiness in the sleeves. You can push them up, and they stay put. It looks great on him. It's perfect to dress up jeans and a t-shirt and still be California casual. Number 4. P.J. Paul Jones Men's Herringbone Tweed Blazer. Experience timeless style with this classic herringbone tweed blazer. Crafted for a distinguished look, it's a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Made from a premium British wool blend, this jacket offers exceptional quality and comfort. Feel the difference that fine materials make. Designed as a sophisticated sport coat, it effortlessly elevates your casual or semi-formal attire. Perfect for a sharp, put-together appearance. Enjoy a flattering, tailored fit that enhances your silhouette. This piece is designed to look great from every angle. Whether dressing up or down, this blazer is your go-to for sophisticated style. It pairs perfectly with jeans or dress pants for any occasion. Trust in the quality and craftsmanship of P.J. Paul Jones. This blazer is built to last and impress, offering enduring style and wear. What we like. Experience timeless elegance with this tweed blazer, featuring a sophisticated herringbone pattern. The wool blend ensures warmth and durability, perfect for cooler seasons. If you appreciate classic British style and want a jacket that adds a touch of refinement to your outfit, this is the one for you. What people say. The colors in the pictures are accurate to the item and it's a nice in-outdoor jacket with enough weight to stay warm. The material is warm and comfortable. The color is accurate to the photos. The tweed consists of a beautiful blend of green and brown hues, and the plaid pattern gives it a classic countryside look that goes great with a pair of blue jeans. Number 3. 5-ingredient Instant Pot Cookbook for 2. Discover the joy of cooking delicious meals with minimal ingredients. This cookbook makes weeknight dinners a breeze, perfect for couples or small households. Whip up flavorful dishes using just 5 ingredients in your Instant Pot. Spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your food. Designed for busy lives, these recipes are quick to prepare and even quicker to clean up. Enjoy satisfying meals without the fuss. Finally, a cookbook tailored for 2. Say goodbye to leftovers and hello to perfectly portioned, satisfying meals every time. Maximize your Instant Pot's potential with these straightforward, 5-ingredient recipes. It's the ultimate guide for easy, home-cooked meals. What we like. Simplify your cooking with recipes that require minimal ingredients and effort. This cookbook is specifically tailored for couples or individuals, ensuring no food waste. If you're new to cooking for 2 or want to make weeknight dinners a breeze, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. Great recipes. Actual simple but tasteful meals. Really good recipes, and I'm no longer eating the same thing for a week. the proportions are perfect. I love the simplicity of the recipes when compared to the other IP recipe books that I have. There is a nice variety of meals. Number 2. Instant Pot Allergy Mom's Cookbook. Are you a parent struggling with food allergies? This cookbook offers a simple solution for delicious meals everyone can enjoy. Discover 60 quick and tasty recipes designed to be free from the top 8 allergens. Spend less time worrying and more time enjoying. Unlock the full potential of your Instant Pot with recipes tailored for this versatile appliance. Mealtime just got a whole lot easier. Finally, peace of mind in the kitchen. Every recipe is carefully crafted to exclude common allergens, making it safe for your family. This is more than just a cookbook, it's a lifesaver for busy parents navigating the challenges of food allergies. Enjoy flavorful, worry-free meals. What we like? This cookbook provides peace of mind with recipes free from the most common allergens. It focuses on quick preparation without sacrificing taste, making mealtime stress-free for families. If you or your loved ones have allergies and are looking for safe, delicious, and speedy meal solutions, this is a lifesaver. What people say. This cookbook is a lifesaver for anyone with gluten sensitivities looking to utilize their Instant Pot. It offers a wide variety of recipes, from quick weeknight meals to more elaborate dishes, all designed for gluten-free eating. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners in the Instant Pot or gluten-free cooking. Number 1. Instant Pot Gluten-Free Vegan Cooking. Discover the joy of cooking delicious, gluten-free, and vegan meals with your Instant Pot. This cookbook makes plant-based eating simple and satisfying. Explore 65 whole food recipes designed for a plant-based lifestyle. You'll find a variety of flavorful dishes perfect for any occasion. Embrace a healthy, plant-based diet without compromising on taste. These recipes are crafted to be both nutritious and incredibly delicious. Unlock the full potential of your Instant Pot for easy and quick meal preparation. Enjoy wholesome, home-cooked food with minimal effort. Experience the vibrant flavors of whole foods in every bite. These recipes prove that gluten-free and vegan cooking can be exciting and fulfilling. What we like? Embrace a healthy, plant-based lifestyle with these delicious gluten-free and vegan recipes. It emphasizes whole foods for nourishing meals. If you are following a vegan or gluten-free diet, or simply want to incorporate more plant-based whole foods into your diet, this cookbook is perfect for you. What people say. The introduction to this book has very good information on how to use the Instant Pot and has many good tips on gluten-free and vegan cooking. The nutritional information is included. The recipes are so well written, very clear and easy to follow, and the ingredients are 99% always things you already have if you do any type of cooking baking, and if you don't have it they are usually very easy to find at your local grocery store. The photography in this cookbook is amazing. This is a must-have. I highly recommend this one. Thanks so much to Kathy Hester and her team for making this easy-to-follow cookbook with beautiful photography. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.